All right, I do not like this painting. I loved the sky, but I'm going to pour over it. So I'm going to do an entirely different thing so I don't waste the canvas. I could do something over it. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, if I don't like something, it's just going to just sit here and take up space. So I'm gonna play with this because I just picked out my favorite color combination, kind of like a peacock colors. So I've got Mermaid Tail, DecoArt Sea Breeze. I've got Master's Touch Dark Green. These are all mixed. DecoArt Ocean Blue and Royal Navy mixed together. And this is some blue that I've mixed. And I've got Mixed Media Girl Gold. So let's just play with this. deciding I was going to use these colors, and I was going to add black for a little contrast, and I totally forgot to add the black, but hey, this is just lovely. I mean, look at the flows, and look at that action. Yeah, I really like this. I really like how this came out very much. So we got the swipe in there. We have the blowing out with my air pump, and then the rest is with the hair dryer. Okay, well, I did use the straw blowing on that upper part, and it wasn't supposed to be a wave, but it kind of looks like a splashy wave of some sort. Not with the gold, but anyway, I really love the colors so much. And anyway, I just hope you enjoyed watching me blow this out and change one painting into another. All right. See you next time.